It smells like it came from China. Why did I order this? I don't know. I got carried away. Keep bossing, stay sexy. This is a good schlepping bag, if you know what I mean. I need a haircut so bad. Hey, are you up? So, if you can hear my dogs playing in the background, I apologize. One of the things that continues to captivate me, even in my kind of post consumerism, I mean, I'm not in a post consumerism stage, but I'm much better than I was before. But at this stage in my life where I'm not buying any like Birkins or Mez, anything like that anymore, it is really interesting to kind of have my eyes opened to really good, high quality brands that would have been considered luxury, sort of like Coach, but now is considered more like mid-range because the ultra luxury we've become so numb to. We've completely accepted that a bag could be $16,000, which is just insane. And yes, I fully acknowledge that this is preposterous. So I have a healthy respect now for the mid-range luxury brands out there, and especially the ones that are made in the USA. So I'm going to unbox one and then I'm going to put together my work bag. I thought you might want to hang out with me. I'm pretty sure I didn't select the eco reduced shipping option, but it seems they have made that choice for me, which is fine. It is not a present or a gift to anyone. It is for myself, so that's also totally fine. This is a brand, the self-proclaimed slow fashion brand is called VERAFIED. It's a New York-based accessories brand redefining modern luxury through sculptural minimalist handbags. I think they're based in Brooklyn. I could be wrong. It says New York. I don't know. I also got a couple of little bag charms because, you know, I'm a maximalist. So let it be known, you're never going to see any kind of capsule collection or minimalistic pro tips type thing from me. I'm a person who owns like 7 Kindles. When I like something, I buy a lot of it. So that's just me. This is the new work bag. What do you think? It smells like it came from China. I don't think this is made in New York City. It definitely has that odor. It's very pretty. I like it. And this is real leather, even though it smells adhesive. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I'm getting real excited now because this is super cool. This is sort of like a kiss lock closure, but it's like magnetic. Look at this. Look at how cool this is. I got the chocolate brown. It was on pre-order. Look at this. You have this whole little section here so you can put. Remember when you used to read a magazine and it would say work to like day to night outfit, and it would talk about stuff that like never actually became a thing? Do you remember that? Like, oh yes, corporate girly to like New York City corporate girly to clubbing routine. What? Let me count the number of times that's actually been a concern in my life as a mom of 2, a physician and business owner who wouldn't dare work in a corporate setting in Manhattan. But somehow, you know, fools as we are, we were being fed this slop in editorial articles and magazines, making us believe that the corporate grind in a big major city like the Big Apple was the goal, the aspirational goal, like was for us to be working for Vogue. You know what I mean? Oh my God, that's so cool. Anyway, no. How about no? So I'm so glad that did not end up being my life's calling, my life's work. But I'm just putting on little toggles. Now, I did actually get some bag charms, like I mentioned. So let's go ahead and open those as well. But this is just a really cool, I just really liked this bag because it's really big and it seems like it's really functional as a work bag and could also just be taken around just as a regular purse too if I wanted to, like not so big that it's ridiculous. I'm currently carrying around a Neverfull GM, the newer one that has like a carrying strap on it, but it's quite big. It's not bad. It's very lightweight, which I like, but yeah. Okay, so here we're getting into the little individualized bag charms, which I had ordered, like tassels and things that I matched in the same kind of thing, and I think I'm just gonna tie it on. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna play around with it. I'm gonna show you the unboxing and then the finished work. Keep bossing, stay sexy. I don't need that. I don't need a comb. Maybe I do need a comb. Look at my hair. Maybe I do need a comb in my purse. Okay, this is the one I thought was the cutest, so I'm really excited for this one. Keep bossing, stay sexy. What? You look fabulous. Keep bossing, stay sexy. That's cute. Okay, that's really cute. I'll give you that one. That one's pretty cute. will it not fit on this thing? Shoot. Been helpful to know that. It might be discounted if they add you onto my plan or something as a family. My husband's at Costco and he got busted because he was trying to use my member card. And apparently he can't do that. I'm like, really? We're from the same household. Why? Okay, so I don't know where to add this is my problem. Like, they advertise it as an accessory, but like it can't fit on the annoyed. Can I figure it out? Okay, so this is the bag. And now that I see it, I'm like, I think it's cute. Shall we see if it actually fits anything? Can you even hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Is this better? This might be better. I know. I'm sorry. This whole microphone situation, I'm trying to make sure that this works, but let's try with a laptop. All right. We got my 14-inch MacBook Pro. It fits. Okay, but that's like super cute. This is like a bag that can kind of like pass for both. I'm not mad at it. And it wasn't expensive. So it wasn't like ridiculous. I think it was like maybe $400, something like that. I could be wrong because it's been a while. I had to order it on pre-order. But yeah, I think it's cute. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to take this little tag off because I think it's adorable. So let's take this tag. No return if tag is removed. How do I just cut it off? All right, it's mine now. Yay! Although I am a bit sad about the bag charm not fitting. So we'll have to figure out what to do there. But I just put it on this little tassel thing here. It's not really super secure, so that might come off later. But yeah, that's the new work bag unboxing. Kind of a nice little multifunctional situation. And then some tortoiseshell comb accessories because y'all, I need you to know this. I need you to listen clearly. I need a haircut so bad. My hair is getting so long and it's so shapeless and it just has completely lost the plot. That's okay. All right, so I'm going to start transferring my stuff over and I'm just going to make this like my work, like my Neverfull is kind of my work and regular purse bag, and I've been doing that because I'm tired of carrying 2 bags into work every day. If you don't know, I own a business, a home scenting brand called Amber, and I work pretty much like 9 to 3 every single day, and it's the dream. I love it. But yeah, I take my laptop to and from work, and so I just need, and I like have like microphones for filming content and tripod stands and things like that, and I just like lug it all around. So I also like to carry, as you probably saw in my last video, I like to carry a good like fountain pen selection, pens, things like that. And so that is also something that needs to be schlepped around. I need a haircut so bad. This is a schlep. This is a good schlepping bag. And then it also has this little, you know what, I could probably put it on there. I'm gonna put this, this to the front, right? And then I'll put the fortune cookie on there because this will not fall off. Unlike the tassel could fall off if I don't tie it in enough, which I will, but it's just a little stiff right now. So let's put this guy through here on this little clochette type thing. I'm not really sure what the purpose of this little pyramid is. Okay, so yeah, you can see like this little thing here is not really holding up, so I will just, that will get like less stiff with time, I'm sure. But who's taking bets that my husband is going to absolutely fall in love with Costco? Is he going to be a Costco girly, you know, like the weekend warrior, like he did with Lowe's? Lowe's is a hardware store here in Texas, by the way. Okay, this is the final look. I think it's cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.